Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all safe and fine. Children, stay home and stay safe. Today we are going to learn Social Science Class 5 Term 2 Unit 2 Hydrosphere. What is the topic of the lesson, children? Hydrosphere. Let's recap, children. This is our Earth. Our Earth consists of three layers. What are those three layers? The first one is lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. Hydrosphere means water bodies. Atmosphere means air. Now we'll see the types of water bodies. Oceans. Oceans are the vast water bodies. The water is salty in nature. Oceans are the vast water bodies. It is big in size. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Lake. Lake, it is a water body surrounded by land on all sides. Example, Dal Lake, it is in Kashmir. Lagoon, it is a stretch of salt water separated from the sea by low sand bank. Example, Chilika Lake, it is in Odisha. Sea, it is also a vast water body but smaller than ocean. Sea water is salty in nature. Example, Arabian Sea. Strait, it is a narrow stretch of water which joins two large water bodies. Example, Park Strait. Rivers. Rivers are the large streams that flow over the land. In India, there are 5 largest rivers. They are Ganges, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Waterfall. It forms when a river flows from the great height. Example, Kuttalam Waterfalls. Gulf. It is a large area of an ocean or a sea that is surrounded by land. Example, Gulf of Kutch. Bay. A bay is a body of water which is partially enclosed by land. Example, Bay of Bengal. Now let's know, children. Dead Sea, there is no aquatic life. It is in Jordan. Sambar Lake, it is Salt Lake. It is in Rajasthan. Now we'll see about water pollution and how to save water. Children, do you know how to save water? Children, first we will see about water pollution. What is water pollution? Do you know, children? Listen, children, now. We should be very careful about how we use the water. Water pollution is a common phenomenon around us. We throw garbage, joint sewage into the rivers and so on. Do not put plastic garbage when you go near beaches. It is very dangerous for the aquatic life. Making river water contaminated and not fit for use. This increases the scarcity of water for household use. These are the causes of water pollution, children. So, we should not pollute water. We should save all the water bodies. Water scarcity means the shortage of available water. About 30% of Earth's fresh water lies in deep underground. It is extracted daily for farming, drinking and industrial processes. Water is a renewable resource, but it is often wasted by humans. Use a bucket to take bath instead of shower or tub bath. We should save each drop of water. Children, will see some more steps to save water. Turn off tap while brushing teeth. Turn off tap while brushing teeth. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap while applying soap. Take shorter baths. Take shorter baths. Turn off tap after each use. Turn off tap after each use. Don't flush tissue paper or waste it to the toilet. Wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. Wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. Use water from melted ice cubes of iced drinks to water plants. Use water from melted ice cubes of iced drinks. Use the flushed out RO water to wash cars and bikes. Now let's see about water cycle. Water, it is in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Now we'll see about stages of water cycle. Evaporation. What is evaporation, children? It is the process by which liquid becomes gas. The heat of the sun falls on the water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. The water slowly evaporates as vapors into the air. Now we'll see about condensation. As the vapors rise high, the cooler temperatures make them cool down and turn back into liquid. This is called condensation. Now we'll see about precipitation. It means rainfall. Wind movements cause the clouds particles to collect. They become rain-bearing clouds and fall back onto the earth's surface by the process known as precipitation. Now we'll see about runoff and infiltration. The water either runs off into oceans, rivers and ground surface or is absorbed into the soil. It is called infiltration. This cycle continues. Let's review of this lesson, children. Our earth consists of land, water and air. 97% of the water is salty. 3% of the water found in ground. They are oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, lagoons, straits, gulf and waterfalls. We should save water. Now we'll see the stages of water cycle, children. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff and infiltration. These are the stages of water cycle. Now we will see learning outcomes. Children, after learning this lesson, we will be able to say the importance of hydrosphere, types of water bodies, how to save water, stages of water cycle. Thank you, children. I hope you all enjoy this lesson very much. Bye bye, kids.